Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my hair straightening routine. Sorry, I completely forgot. But I'm going to go ahead and start with my Tresemme shampoo and then follow up with my Tresemme conditioner. I find that these two combos with washing my hair and straightening it, oh my gosh, I've actually liked the combo. Before I tried like other brands, and my style will, like my straighten will come out nice, but like they just give me a better, I'm losing thoughts of words now. They just give me a better straighten routine. So, and they are infused with biotin. This one is also has the benefits of straightening, helps with preventing damage when you're straightening your hair. So I like this one. And also the L'Oreal Paris. This one is the Dream Lengths. This one is their mask. It has keratin and castor oil in it. I have started to incorporate this. You guys have also seen this on my channel before, but I've also started to incorporate this on my my straightening hair routine, and I love it as well. And then when I am done this, I'll also show you guys what I use for my blow drying process. Okay, so now that I'm back, I am gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair, and I'm also going to, so these are the products I'm using, sorry. I'm using the Tresemme Repair and Protect Heat Protectant. This also matches the shampoo and conditioner I showed you guys earlier. And this one is the Color Wow Dream Coat. This is the Supernatural Spray. Since I've been using it, I actually really liked it. Like it. It is now something I use every single time I blow dry my hair or every single time I straighten my hair. My hair, literally the best. The best. blow drying. The last setting I did was cool setting, and then I just flipped my hair all angles just to dry it out. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and use my straightener. I put my straightener on 400 because when I do it on, was it like 390, my hair just comes out like a fluffy straighten. And because I want my hair like actual straight, I'm just gonna do 400 and see how it works from there. And yeah, so go ahead and section. Usually I put like put my hair all up first. I don't do it tight, I do it very loose. And then I just twist it around. And this allows me to still able to take out the back. But what I'm going to go ahead and do first is the perimeter of my hair.